To use OBS Virtual Camera on Google Meet, go to your OBS Studio. Under Sources, click this plus icon. Let's add a video source. So I'm clicking on Media Source and renaming it Webcam, for example, and clicking on OK. Now it's time to choose our video file here. So I'm clicking on Browse. And from my computer, I'm selecting a fake webcam video. And I'm just turning on loop for the video and clicking on OK. And here we can see the webcam video update. I'm just resizing this webcam just like this. Okay. Now if you want to add your audio or audio input or output sources, you can just click on this plus icon, and from here you can easily add your audio input capture, audio output capture. Now all you have to need, click on Start Virtual Camera, and now go to your Google Meet, create a new instant meeting or join in a meet. Once you are in a Google meeting, all you have to need to switch your OBS Virtual Camera, click these video settings, click on your video device, and here select OBS Virtual Camera. And after selecting here OBS Virtual Camera, turn on this camera option. And that's it. As you can see, my OBS Virtual Camera is now added on my Google Meet. And if you want to add or change your webcam or video camera background, open backgrounds and effects, and from here you can easily change your video background.